Disgusting.
Hang on.
Tony, this is what you get for yelling.
I actually gagged.
If you just stopped yelling.
Yeah, just stop yelling, Tony.
Yeah, wait, you want me to yell? Oh, you want me to stop yelling?
Yo, stop.
I can do that. I'm just gonna breathe, okay?
You don't gotta yell. What is going on? Tony, you don't have to yell.
Tony needs to stop. This has got too far. Tony.
That's not even
Stop.
Tony, cut the shenanigans.
Tony's like science. It's
Devin,
David won't stop.
I'm trying to play Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Oh,
it-
little lamb, ah.
No, it's not ready. Not ready.
You don't have to yell, Tony.
You know, it's a good thing Justin's host, because if like Sem was host, there'd be no call.
Tony, you don't have to yell.
I'm
Okay.
entertained right now.
Tony, I only have one question for you.
Tony,
Are you ready for a miracle?
Oh crap, I totally forgot I was playing Left 4 Dead. Who's puking? Oh, Devin is.
you don't have to yell.
Last,
Has science gone too?
no, it hasn't. Hasn't gone far enough.
So much fun.
On Wrath. On Wrath. Can I,
What?
Tom, are you gonna send the link or what? Tom, are you gonna send the link or what? Tom, what? Can you stop yelling?
So,
Tony, you don't have to yell.
this has gone, Tony. Tony, this has gone too far. You need to stop.
Science has not
Tony,
gone
we're
too...
not talking about science. We're talking about Tony, okay?
Ryan, stop yelling.
Oh my god.
Tony, stop yelling. Can't we agree that Tony's the loudest?
You want to toss that video over? You're watching?
Tony, don't get mad, get glad.
Stop yelling, Dave.
Tony, I heard you when you were a child.
Okay, if my math is right, it's
You don't-
3.3 million combinations. Dave, does that sound right or wrong?
Sounds about right.
Really?
You don't have-
Really?
yeah.
I feel like that's too much. Pedactyl, Geolar, Odolar, Star, Nine Cans, Doix, Archipod, Orlipede, Matois, Architois, Metally,
Justin,
Unite,
What?
House killed me.
I told you.
Nitix,
It's okay.
Velotype, Sharto, Roll 9, Meow Queen, Volto. Alright, I'm done.
It's back. It's back.
Oh my god, that's so fucking.
I won.
Devin, what is your picture?
god, it sounds like a fucking bomb. It sounds like it's about to detonate.
Yo, who's watching the throw up thing?
You're gonna detonate.
Ooh.
Nice.
Tony's about to come. Devin's about to blow.
I'm gonna come.
Batten down your hatches.
Batten down your hatches.
Yeah.
Reaching a pitch I can't hear anymore, so.
I can't hear you,
Fine.
Sam.
They're starting to hurt. Here, tell me if you can hear this color blindness test.
Yep.
Yeah, just end it.
It's just too loud, Dave.
Find
Yelling.
out why I'm yelling.
If I hear one more loud noise, I'm just gonna leave and go
Yeah,
to
me
sleep.
too. I'm out.
No more loud.
Good night, my sweet.
Did everyone just leave?
Good night.
No one left yet.
Ryan ended the world.
This is the way the world ends.